In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily set who can see your blog on chess.com website. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up a web browser. Then go to chess.com and make sure you are signed into your account. After that, head over to Settings. To do that, click Add that gear. Then scroll down until you find Blog. Click on it. And basically that's where we can change our blog's URL. We can change that last part after blog /. We can enter there any word, any combination of symbols that could be not similar with our blog name and username. Also, we can change our blog name here, and the last option is May view my blog. By default, it is set to all members. However, we can switch it to only my friends to make your blog visible just for your friends. Once you are done with that, to save the changes, do not forget to click at Save. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.